Now we shall discuss about simple past tense or past indefinite tense negative. Negative simply means in negative sentences we can easily distinguish it. We find not. Where there is not, there is negative. So negative sentences are very easily identified. These are identifiable. How? With the help of nothing else but a single thing, that is not. You can easily identify it with the help of not. So first of all, we shall discuss the rule. What is the rule? The rule is subject, and for your help, it is very easy. You no need to worry about the subject, that is singular or plural, whatever. No need to worry about it. Subject, then did not, plus V1 plus object. So here you need not worry about it. No need to worry. Why? You have only single verb, helping verb to use with all the subjects. In present indefinite tense, we had a problem, and the problem was do and does. But here there is no problem at all. Only did not is provided. So we can change any simple past affirmative sentence into negative very easily and without any mistake, because there is no error related to subject, that is singular or plural. So we shall discuss examples. He did not fight the battle of Haldighati. He did not fight the battle of Haldighati. So he is your subject. Did not, as per rule, fight, first form. In affirmative we use fought. And here we use fight. So fight. He did not fight the battle of Waterloo. I did not teach English in this class yesterday. I did not teach English in this class yesterday. They did not worship their lords in summer. They did not worship their lords in summer. Rama did not cook pulao for breakfast. My mother did not knit a sweater for me. Her husband did not take her for picnic last year. Her husband did not take her for picnic last year. My teacher did not teach BST last month. These are the examples. We'll have some more examples, and you will be completing your homework in the same manner that you have been completing. You will be completing some sentences, especially in simple past tense. At least 10 sentences you will have to write, and then you will change it into negative. So some more examples. Mr. Krishna did not attend the meeting today. Mr. Krishna did not attend the meeting today. Hari Singh did not steal money from Anil. Hari Singh did not steal money from Anil. Khuswant Singh did not go to Britain for higher studies. Khuswant Singh did not go to Britain for higher studies. Albert Einstein did not write the rule for gravity. Because it was written by Newton. Albert Einstein did not write the rule for gravity. Elsa did not like Albert Einstein. She liked him, that is why she got married with Albert Einstein. Yuri did not go to Milan with Albert because he was there to study in Munich. Last two examples. Mona did not complete her homework in time. Mona did not complete her homework in time. And the last one, Maya Ram did not water the plants in SDM block. That's all for the day. Thank you very much.